guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make golden syrup slime. This is an edible slime for all the people to make who don't have microwaves. So what we're going to need is some golden syrup. So this makes quite a big batch, so I'm just going to be using 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. So you want to put it in your bowl, and then once you've let the measuring cup drain, you can put that aside. And what you'll need is your icing sugar, and this needs a lot, so you can add quite a bit to start with. And you'll need your mixing cup to mixing instrument or whatever to mix this in. You'll find that it comes quite gooey, but that doesn't mean that it's not going to work. It just needs a lot of cornstarch, a lot of icing sugar. So you're going to want to just mix this in, and you'll find that it's going to start to crumble a lot. So you just want to keep pushing it down and in to the icing sugar. And you can go in with your hands at the start, but I find it too sticky, so you gotta wait until some of the icing sugar is fully mixed in. So you'll just want to keep mixing until it becomes like a dough texture, because it'll melt a bit in your hands, so it needs to be a bit harder. Like in slime, when you're adding instant snow, it has to be overactivated. So we're just overactivating this because it melts in your hands a lot. So once you find that it's getting hard to mix, you can just touch it and feel if it is a dough texture, and if it isn't, just keep mixing the icing sugar in. This will take a while because it's so runny and sticky, so you want to just get it all on your mixing instrument and then just push the icing sugar in. It'll be a bit hard to mix it all in, so you just need to get the icing sugar onto the golden syrup. Now, the good thing about this is you can touch it almost immediately, because it hasn't been melted or anything in the microwave or the oven, so it won't be hot. So as you can see, I've had to add a lot of icing sugar compared to how much golden syrup I added, and you'll see your mixture becoming bigger. So once you think it's ready to go in with your hands, you can just mix the icing sugar in and sort of knead it in once it's not too sticky. This will take a while, as you can see, but you'll find that it begins becoming really sticky if it's not covered in icing sugar, and that's because it's starting to melt in your hands. So if it does that and it's too sticky, you can just collect it off your hand and go back in with your mixing instrument. So you'll want to just keep doing this and taking it off and just mixing in all the icing sugar. And once it becomes really doughy, you're going to want to just dip it down into the icing sugar and then pick it up and mix with your hands. So it will stay sticky for a while, but that's because it started off as a liquid. But as you can see, it's becoming less sticky each time I mix in icing sugar. So what you're going to need to do is keep doing this, and then eventually it'll just become a really nice, stretchy, edible slime like this. So thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and press the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss when I upload a video. Bye!